How does duty of care impact your crisis legal preparedness? Have you ever thought about how the duty of care affects your readiness for a crisis? This concept is more than just a legal term. It plays a vital role in how we prepare for emergencies. Duty of care refers to the responsibility to take reasonable steps to ensure the safety and well-being of others. This includes employees, clients, and the public. Understanding this duty can significantly influence your crisis legal preparedness. At its core, duty of care requires organizations to identify potential risks related to their operations. This means looking at foreseeable threats like natural disasters, health crises, or security issues. By recognizing these risks, businesses can take proactive measures to prevent harm before a crisis strikes. From a legal standpoint, fulfilling the duty of care means creating crisis management plans that align with laws and regulations. These plans should clearly outline roles, responsibilities, and communication strategies. For example, if a natural disaster occurs, having a plan in place can help ensure safety and continuity. If an organization fails to meet these obligations, it may face legal claims for negligence if harm occurs. Duty of care also drives the creation of thorough risk assessments. These assessments help identify vulnerabilities specific to personal, business, or global contexts. For instance, a company may need to assess how a pandemic could impact its operations and workforce. Training and awareness programs are essential as well. Employees and stakeholders must understand their roles during a crisis. This knowledge helps them act reasonably to avoid harm. Establishing policies that address health, safety, and security is also critical. These policies should include contingency plans for resource shortages or operational disruptions. Collaboration is another key aspect. Different departments, such as human resources and compliance, should work together to manage risks. This shared responsibility helps create a safer environment for everyone involved. Legal compliance is vital too. Organizations must adhere to regional or national standards that impose specific duty of care requirements. For example, workplace safety laws may dictate certain protocols that must be followed during emergencies. During catastrophic events, crisis standards of care may need to be adjusted. However, decisions should still be guided by ethical and legal frameworks to protect as many individuals as possible. Finally, preparing for prolonged crisis conditions is essential. Formalizing declarations and protocols can grant legal protections to responders while ensuring accountability. In summary, duty of care significantly shapes crisis legal preparedness. It establishes a foundation of responsibility that encourages organizations and individuals to anticipate risks, plan effectively, and act reasonably. This proactive approach not only protects lives and assets but also reduces legal exposure during emergencies.